When writing a lowercase letter in cursive style, always start on the bottom line. To write L, go all the way up, then back down. Let's see how it looks in a word. Leg is written like this. Help is written like this. Capital letters always start at the top. To write capital L, draw a line down, then across. The word leg with a capital L is written like this. Capital letters never join with the rest of the word.